Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to edit hair color on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and just select a photo from your gallery. And if you want to edit that, for example, you want to change the hair color, just go to the lower bar and you can find the hair color option next to the filters. Tap that and you can find different colors. You can set the string of that, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.